Okay, it's been about 2 weeks, just about, since my last crop report, and here's the pumpkin patch. It's crazy. I had to cut some off, but my hope is that it will go up our fence here and we're going to have a whole lot of pumpkins. Cucumbers. Eggplant's doing really well. Nice and tall. Pulled some onions, but they're not ready. A little bit more yet. So, picked a couple of tomatoes. My zucchini are still big. I picked a couple of those yesterday. Peppers, slow going. Big plants, but not a whole lot of fruit. Sunflowers are doing very well. The birds are gonna love them. Move, Sal. And so, I have to water today. It's about 6:30. There's my heirloom. It's an ugly plant, but we'll see what the tomatoes look like. We have lots of cubanellas and banana peppers. Utility flags courtesy of my son. And my tomatoes. This one's about 7 feet tall. I'm gonna have to top it so it works on getting me some fruit instead of growing taller. I thought this might be a better time of the day to shoot this, but the sun's very glary. Yeah, I'm gonna have a ton of tomatoes. Ton of them. So, anyway, 2 weeks has gone by and that's it. So, I'll definitely keep you posted, and tomato sandwiches for everybody.